Even God talk and say they will gather, but if the gathering is not of him, they will definitely scatter. My beautiful and amazing people, hey hey, make una come see me, come see drama. Hey, una know say the president of US release one kind shocking news saying that im go revoke passport of citizen wey dey owe more than $2,500. Automatically dat $2,500, if you wan approximate am to Nigerian currency, na 4 million naira be dat. So dat means any man or woman wey dey owe for child support, dey go revoke their passport. And we all know say dat money no be im be the koko, no be im be problem when it comes to Davido's case. Im own matter no be 4 million naira na im be anything. So tell me, omo, immediately when dat particular information circulate the media space wey e burst, come see the way Sophia Momodu and her fans dey celebrate, saying that Davido go collect im own fair share, e go collect woto concerning dis matter. Say it is well overdue. Say adimi no be say na Nigeria wey Davido dey do all these things wey im dey do to Sophia. Adimi say na for obodo oyibo. By now body go don tell am. Na im go even dey beg to come do the needful. Na im go dey beg to do support, to pay for support, to take full responsibility. No be this one wey be say every Eke market day na dem dey drag theirself up and down. I am like, wow. See jubilation here and there, say they go revoke Davido's passport. They go send am come back to Nigeria. He and Chioma, they go come back to Nigeria and their twins. Make dem come feel wetin Sophia too dey feel. This one, that one. I say, hey, I see that comment for Sophia Momodu fans place. I am like, wow. These people can be very, very funny. So wait, una claim say una love Imade. No be so. If you love a person, how do you express the love you have for a person? Is when you pray for the betterment of that person's life. And you cannot say you love Imade and you are wishing her father evil. The same father will be say if he better for him today, he don't better for Imade, because na him go give her life. Apart from her mother, na the father be one of the principal person wey go give Imade what she needed as a child and as an adult to become who she really want to be. No be say na capping. That is how it's supposed to be. Davido will continue to take full responsibility until the day she finally stand on her feet on her own. Either she marry or she get work of her own which she dey do before Davido go rest. So tell me, how you go say you love a person and you dey pray for the person's downfall? Immediately they just announce say they are going to revoke passport and citizen wey dey hold $2,500, this that, they are going to revoke it. They were happy. I am like, now wow. But wetin they fail to understand be say passport na just travelling document, but say person na citizen, omo, na status be that o. In case they no know, make them know now, because if you fail to understand the two, there is a big problem. There is a big problem. You haven't seen where somebody be citizen but you cannot travel. You don't see that kind of case before. Funny enough, this matter of child support of a teen, in as much as say you dey for obodo oyibo, according to wetin we hear, na the parents wey get the highest paying earnings na im dey pay for child support o. If na the man na im dey earn more, na im go pay. If na the woman dey earn more, na the woman go pay. In case una no still know, make we educate una, make una know. If there is anything, people wey dey for obodo oyibo, abeg make una enligh ten us more for the comment section, because we are all learning on daily basis. Now, they are now calling on Davido, saying that this one now go teach am lesson. e go know dey dey push Sophia. Let push Sophia move forward. Let her push forward. Let her tender her case. Let her let them know this one that one. Make una no forget say if you dey go dey let them know, Imade is not a citizen of the United States. Na citizen of Nigeria na im she be. They only gave her passport. Passport na to travel to every country. They no give her citizenship. Na her papa na im be citizen. She herself, she is not a citizen. Make una know all this one, make una get peace. You now coming to say, they should do it. They will send Davido back to Nigeria. Im eye go clear. Im go know say no be everybody na im go fit do bad go scot free. I am like, wow. Na wow. Una too do well. So una take dey love Imade reach like this. Na so una take dey pray for im father like this. Because of say im papa and im mama dey no marry each other. Automatically let bad things happen to the father. But where una fail be say una no be God, and Davido is not found guilty. Because if Davido is found guilty, they will definitely call him for investigation or call him for one thing or the other. So una no need to pray for wetin no go ever come to pass. So make una dey drink water, dey drop cup, and stop una unnecessary prayers. Make una channel am more on making Sophia a better person, making her marry the bone of her bone and the flesh of her flesh, so that she go forget all these things. Because the one una dey channel una energy dey go to do person evil or make bad thing happen to person, e go hard make progress happen for una end o. In case people no know, once you dey pray for the downfall of a person, you dey pray make e bad for person. So if dem revoke Davido citizenship now, dem send am come back to Nigeria, una think say im go come back come suffer? And wetin una dey gain if una pray make dem send am come back to Nigeria with im family? Wetin una go gain? Wetin e go add for una body? But fortunately, Davido cannot stoop so low to come even dey hold child support of 4 million, wey be say the money wey im dey dash on a normal day, the money wey im dey dash on a normal day, we dey for here, we dey hear when somebody go say dem dash am 50 million, dash am 10 million, dash am 15 million. For this internet na im we dey hear am. Not to come talk of just common legelege $2,500, which is approximately 4 million naira. Na im Davido no go fit pay for child support, e go come dey owe sotey dey go come revoke im passport, come pursue am. Make una make it make sense na. E get some kind things wey una no go even dey think for una head, not to come talk of say una dey pray am make e come to pass. Wey make me still dey talk am till today till tomorrow say unless Davido do bad to Sophia, na im some kind prayer wey una go pray go come to pass. But if Davido did not offend Sophia, but she is just only him in mind because he no marry her, then anything wey una dey pray e go backfire. Because no be every relationship normally dey resolve to marriage. Some relationship dey end for relationship, some dey end for marriage, while some dey end for I no gree, na im be this one so. But last, this man is the father of your child. Always pray for him make e better for am. Because if e no better for am, your daughter too go collect her fair share. No matter how you claim say you go get money, you be big woman, you be this, you be that, forget o. E never be na im be say e never be o. If e be, at least the money wey you dey get, what if you use am dey cater for your own self, then the father dey cater for the child? At least you do more things within the space of how many years wey you wan take make am. But once the father comot hand inside, only you come dey do am, e no really make any sense. And the father is ready to do, but una dey pray make e fail. Una dey pray, una just dey happy. Dem say dem go revoke, dem say dem go revoke. if no be say na Nigeria wey im get mind make Sophia carry dis matter up, make she carry am enter. You think say na UK dey backyard here wey you go just wake up find yourself go dey complain, and immediately you complain dey go answer you? Oga, na passport na im the girl get and nothing more, and na her father be the man, so nothing wey una fit do. And na the father na im be the citizen, no be say na the girl be citizen the father dey tap, no, na the father be citizen na im do passport for her. So make una dey chill. Oh, no be life, no be Nollywood, no be wetin una pray go come to pass. And Davido is not found wanting, and he can never be found wanting. No be for small money like that. E get some kind money wey e go be wey una go dey pray say e be. No be for 4 million naira. How much is 4 million naira? The one wey Davido don take waka pass, abi how much? My people, na the matter be this o. I say make una come see the way people wey claim say dem love person, see the kind prayer wey dem dey pray. It is well o. Like I used to say it and I'm still saying it again. For the sake of the child, una go just learn to chop oil with salt instead of to go dey find stew wey go dey difficult to chop, wey go dey difficult to see. Salt anybody can have, but stew no be everybody fit get. Dat one na adage wey I leave for una, make una use am know and make una use am get sense. For the sake of Imade, make una let go of all those bad prayers and bad wishes wey una dey wish Davido. E get why. Abi guys, what do you think? Drop your opinion for the comment section and give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.